hard because the talent is not enough anymore. And if you're not dedicated 100%, you're not gonna reach the level that you want. For example, you arrive home, you have a lunch, you do it a quick nap, and you wake up, you play with your kids, and I have to go to the gym at least 30-40 minutes, but this will make the difference at the end of the day, you understand? If you don't do that work, you miss one. The next day, it's 2 sessions that you lost, and I know at the end of the day, in the end, they're gonna make a huge difference. When I'm 12 years old, most of the people told me, Cristiano, you are a very, very good talent player, but you are very skinny, very slim. And I put it in my mind, the body can improve. Can improve with gym, dedication and hard work. We can improve. So I improve myself. You have to work. I try to do it almost every day. This is why I'm in the top level many, many years. I think it's not by coincidence. It's because I do extra outside the pitch. What I have today is the ethic of work. You have to put in your mind ethic of work when you are professional. So since day one, when I started with a professional, let's say with 16, 17, 18, I'm always having ethic to be the best, to train hard, to listen to all the players, experienced players. And of course my dream coming true. I was professional, I'm playing the best clubs in the world, I won the most important trophies, so I'm glad to be in this position, but of course this is not coming from the sky. I dedicate myself and I'm working hard, and this is why the goals and all the achievements that I get coming from dedication and hard work. This generation, and for kids, you know what I'm talking about. They have everything easy. They have computers, they have good food on the table. They don't sacrifice a lot to get what they want. It's part of my sacrifice, my obsession to win and to have success. You know, when I say success, it's I work for that. Talent is not enough. I dedicate myself so much that this is part of me. I'm addicted to the success.
Because that's the thing that really drives you.
Yes, I think so.